Mark with Aimco Manufacturing. Today I'd like to demonstrate for you one of our VacuJIB systems. Now these systems work by using a high flow vacuum pump in order to seal to a wide variety of porous materials. In this instance we're going to be handling some heavyweight transformers already packaged up and in the box. In order to accommodate the various part sizes, we've equipped our tooling with a slide feature. Now the controls work by either pushing down and opening the vacuum chamber to go down, or gripping up to close the seal and go up. In order to pick your parts while keeping the slide back, you're going to lower down as squarely as possible with the top cups, continuing to hold the down button until you've slipped your side cups on and then completed the seal. In order to release, it's going to be the same procedure. Bring it down on a supportive surface, holding the down lever, tip back until the seal is broken. Now if your shop were to ever lose power while the system's in use, there's a built-in safety feature that ensures the seal of the vacuum cups will always be the last seal to break. That means the vacuum lift seal on our tube lifter will always break first, causing it to gently relax and lower your part to the ground before it releases the part. For more product videos, please visit aimcomanufacturing.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.